The main idea behind this project was to make a degree audit that's accessible to everybody, especially students, so they can have a better way of understanding where they are in their degree and where to go next.
What we've been doing is we have been going over our rough draft for our proposal. We're kind of outlining what our ideas with the degree audit planner, what our purpose is, who the target audience is, and stuff like that. Figuring out how we're going to organize different things in regards like with the database, like classes.
So we've got our server set up, we've got the database set up, and we've got it pretty much filled out with all of our information.
We're working on the audit right now. Well, I was specifically working like the functionality and like the front end development of it, and it's taken a moment because there's just a lot of data we have to filter through. I think we did pretty well, if you can't tell by the decorations we have going on here. The professors had a lot of good things to say about our presentation. What did we learn? I learned a lot about React.
I also learned about how to manipulate database using JavaScript. So, because both of them are new, well, they're not new individual to me, but they're new when you put it together.
To encompass like everything that I felt like I learned, I feel like scope was a big part of it. It's so easy to say, oh hey, I want to do this one thing. I want to build a website. I want to build a database. But like, it seems like the idea that we had was so much smaller than what we actually had to do. And like, there was so much more to learn than what I ever anticipated. So I guess maybe just like, going forward, acknowledging that saying something and doing something and what it takes are not always the same.
Yeah, and I think there's something to be said about like pre-planning. I think that's something I learned about. Like, there are definitely parts of our project that probably would have gone smoother if we'd planned ahead more.
I enjoyed working with you guys. I think that ended up being my favorite part.
And
Yeah, I say that sincerely.
this is a great team.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.